This is a video about how to create your own Voki. So step one is I open up a browser. I'm in Chrome right now, and you're going to go to www.voki.com. It's going to bring you to a page like this. And we're not going to log in or create our own accounts. We're just going to use the free version. And you'll notice that there are different tabs. First of all, up here we want to be on the tab that says Voki. And then over here we're going to choose the one that says Create. That will bring you to a screen that looks something like this, and it'll give you it'll kind of assign you a default character. If you don't like that character, you can click here. Sometimes it'll give you some other choices. Okay, so you can choose one of these if I want to, or if you don't like the set of characters you're given, you can refresh your screen up here, and it will usually give you a different set of characters. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so let's click here and see. Now I've got some different characters that look more like historic people. Okay, so you choose the one you like. Let's say I like this guy. Sometimes you can also alter the hair and the mouth. That just gives me one choice there. Okay, so I have two different choices here. I can select one of those, perhaps the clothing. Sometimes you can change that, and sometimes you can also edit the different colors of the eyes and the skin and the hair over here. But let's say I like this guy. I like the way he looks. Okay, so I would click Done here. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give him a voice. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in my microphone to the microphone jack on the computer. And you may get a message when you do that. You may get a small message or small window that says you want to allow the microphone to be used, and you should click Allow in that case. I'm not getting it now because my microphone is already plugged in. But once you get the microphone in and you click Allow on that little message, that little window that pops up, then you go ahead and click on the microphone right here. And you click on Record, and you begin to record your message. You have 60 seconds with the free account to record your message. So I'll click Record, check 1, 2, check 1, 2, and stop when you're done. Check 1, 2. Okay, so it plays it back for you automatically. I can click here to play it back again. If I don't like it, I can cancel and go back and do another recording. But let's suppose I like my recording. I go ahead and click Save here. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. And you can see it kind of syncs my my recording with the lips on the character here. And then I click Done if I like what I've got. Okay, so now my my Voki is all set. I've got them designed the way I want. I have my voice in there. The last step is to hit Publish here. And you can go ahead and give the character your name. I'll just give him my last name here. Okay, and it's been saved. I can close this. Kind of rendering the character, and here he is. So now he's all set, and now I can just play him right here by clicking on this button. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. And now I can share it either through this link right here, so I could just copy this link and paste it somewhere, and that will link to this character that I created, or this code right here, this HTML code, you can copy this and you can embed it into a web page somewhere. So those are the two different ways that you can sort of share your Voki. So that's how you go ahead and create a Voki using www.voki.com.